my friend to this new video, and today we will see how we can add the internet speed here in our taskbar. Today we can know that what is our internet speed and how much data we have used today. So there is a bunch of software for this, such as you can say net balancer. Also we have net speed monitor, and we have Leo monitor, Leo speed meter. So these are some of the software which help us to know internet speed in the Windows. So you can download it here, or I will provide the link in the description box so that you can download it for free. Now let's get started and install our first software, which is DU meter. So try it opening from 7-zip, and let's install the software first. So the password will be provided there on the website. So enter the password and install the software now. So let's wait for some time so that the software is installed. And do not launch the software now. So now open this, and here is a readme file. So see what it's telling, and now to apply the patch we need to go to the software location. So it's not the software location, so we need to search for it. So we will go to Windows C, then we will search the meter, and here we will copy this. So make sure that your antivirus is turned off, and now let us search for meter, and let's run it as administrator, and then just give it a patch. So I give it any name, A B C D, and just OK. And it's all done. And now let us open our meter. So you can see it, and now we will go to the user options. Not show this again. Let's let it go. Cancel. So here you can see show taskbar band toolbar. Click on it, and you will see here a pop-up of meter, and click on yes, and now you will see that it's showing. So if you restart your computer, then you will see that it's in a better way, and it's also showing the upload and download speed. But you need to restart your laptop or your computer for the first time so that you can see it in a better way. So this is the first software. The next is the net speed monitor. So I tried downloading, but it was not working on the 64-bit Windows 10. So you can give it a try. If it runs, then it's good, or If it not runs, then you can try the other software such as Meter. So our third software is Net Balancer. So we will install the software first, and then we will apply the patch. So here you can see a readme file which will tell you how to do it. So we will now open our patch. So let us open the file location. So we have to find, it's not here, so we will find in the program files, and here it is Net Balancer. We will enter the password, and now we will run it as administrator, and we'll patch it. So it's saying cannot access the file, so let us open our task manager and search here for, so to find it we will search for serious bit net balancer service, and we will in the task, and we will search for here also and in task, and then let us give it a try to the patch now. Now you can see that patching is done and exit. Let us open this and start the service now, and tell it no. So sometimes it's happened that you cannot see it here, so try restarting it, or try going to the settings. If you want to see the taskbar here of the net balancer, then you can go to the tools bar, and then you can see net balance and just click it. And if you want to turn it off, then you can turn it off, and if you want to turn it off for meter, you can turn it off, and then you can turn it on according to your choice. So this is how you can use the net balancer and the dual speed monitor, dual speed meter, to check your internet speed. Also you can add the net speed monitor, but in the Windows 10 64-bit it was not getting installed. So thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it.